Hey guys, HavasuLew out in beautiful Lake Havasu. Hoping you're having a great day so far. Hey, we're on our way to check out a new listing that's just back on the market. 3-bedroom, 3-bath pool home. Great south side location. Hang out with us, check it out too, and I'll talk to you in a minute. All right guys, we're out here at 930 Molly Gibson Drive. Great south side location, great street. All nice houses around, a little lake shot down the street. So it looks like you got a ton of side parking over here, probably even enough room to build a big RV garage. Property line runs between the water boxes right there on this side of the house. So this sits on a pretty big lot, 0.35 acres, 15,246 square feet. This is right down the street to where the new Havasu Riviera marina and launch ramp's gonna go in. You got a little gate access to the backyard pool area. Let's go on in and check it out. Tons of room on the side over here. So it's a little bit older construction, so you see the stucco to grade, or the stucco meets the dirt basically. So it's a little bit of a maintenance issue over time. Nice little courtyard entry. All right guys, so this is a 3-bedroom, 3-bath, built in 1972. 2,056 square feet. Set up for a vacation rental. What you see is what you get, with some couple exceptions. So it's a little different floor plan. This is set up as a bar game room, as you can see. Can lights, tile floors. Got a nice little wet bar with solid surface counters. Fireplace. Look like 8-foot ceilings. Got speakers integrated. You have a little hallway bath. That's a nice little walk-in shower. All right, so you have another side of the house where the kitchen and living area is. So this is the kitchen off the front of the house. If you remember those double doors coming into the courtyard, those lead into this living area. So again, this is a super successful vacation rental. Here's your double doors off the entry. Integrated shelves, another fireplace. Little dining area. Double doors out to the side yard. So you have your hallway down to all the bedrooms. So the first room you run into is another hallway guest bath. It's all been remodeled. Dual vanities. So you got some cabinet storage to the left here. Then you have a little Jack and Jill. I'm gonna call this bedroom number 2. It's got some bunk beds in there. Also has a door out to the game room / bar area. A little standard closet with folding doors. So you got bedroom number 3 at the very back of the house, at the end of the hallway. Same little closet setup. So this is the master. It's got French doors out to the backyard pool area. Same closet setup. So you have your master bath, one sink, walk-in shower. All right, you have your standard 2-car garage, 7-foot door. Looks like the bay is 28 feet deep over here. Got your soft water, hot water, laundry hookups. All right, let's go check out the pool. All right, so it's got a big pool, and there's 3 sets of double doors that open up the whole game room to the backyard pool area here. Pool looks to be in decent condition. I don't see any chipping or popping of the plaster or anything like that. Cool deck looks pretty decent. The coping looks decent. Double doors out of the master. Nice little gated side access to that side yard. It's a pretty big backyard just by itself. Hey guys, HavasuLew back again with you. Hope you enjoyed that quick little video walk through the house over here on Molly Gibson. If you guys have any questions about it, always feel free to reach out to me. All my contact information is right below this video. I'll also put a direct link to the listing detail page so you can get all the original listing pictures, availability, and current price. So you guys have a great day, and I'll talk to you soon.